Welcome to Factopia Secrets, where we unveil hidden truths, explore conspiracy theories, and reveal mind-boggling facts. Join us on an exhilarating journey into the enigmatic world of secrets. Celestial Reimagining. What if planets replaced our moon? Introduction. Our moon has been a source of wonder and inspiration throughout human history. But have you ever wondered what would happen if each planet in our solar system took the moon's place? In this note, we embark on a speculative journey to explore the consequences and fascinating scenarios that would arise if each planet were to replace our moon. From dramatic tidal effects to breathtaking celestial views, let's delve into the possibilities and imagine the wonders of such a cosmic rearrangement. Mercury. If Mercury replaced our moon, its proximity to the sun would make it appear much brighter and larger in the sky. However, due to its small size, it would not exert significant tidal forces on Earth. The hot and inhospitable nature of Mercury would create an entirely different set of challenges and opportunities for exploration and scientific study. Venus. Venus, with its thick atmosphere and extreme greenhouse effect, would present a captivating spectacle as Earth's new companion. Its brightness in the sky would rival that of the moon, illuminating our nights with a dazzling glow. However, the oppressive heat and toxic atmosphere of Venus would pose significant challenges for human habitation. Mars. The rusty red planet Mars, as Earth's celestial partner, would offer a striking visual display. With its distinct color and visible surface features, it would create an otherworldly ambiance in our night sky. The gravitational influence of Mars would introduce new tidal patterns, impacting Earth's oceans and potentially affecting marine ecosystems. Jupiter. Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, would be an awe-inspiring replacement for our moon. Its immense size and powerful gravitational pull would lead to dramatic tidal effects, resulting in significantly higher tides and potentially affecting coastal regions. The presence of Jupiter in our sky would create a stunning celestial backdrop and serve as a constant reminder of the vastness of our solar system. Saturn. Imagine the breathtaking sight of Saturn's majestic rings replacing our moon. The rings would appear as a magnificent arc of sparkling particles stretching across the sky. The gravitational influence of Saturn would cause substantial tidal effects, reshaping coastlines and altering ocean currents. The celestial spectacle of Saturn's rings would captivate observers and ignite our curiosity about the wonders of the universe. Uranus. Uranus, with its distinctive blue-green hue, would add a mesmerizing touch to our night sky if it replaced our moon. Its tilted axis and unique rotation would lead to unconventional patterns of daylight and darkness on Earth. The gravitational interactions between Uranus and Earth would introduce significant changes to our planet's climate and possibly influence weather patterns. Neptune. Neptune, the farthest known planet from the Sun, would be a distant but enchanting replacement for our moon. Its vibrant blue color and mysterious atmosphere would create a surreal backdrop against the stars. However, Neptune's extreme cold temperatures and immense distance would make it an inhospitable and remote presence in our night sky. Conclusion. While the idea of each planet replacing our moon is purely speculative, it ignites our imagination and invites us to ponder the incredible diversity and dynamics of our solar system. Each planet would bring its unique characteristics and influence to Earth, shaping our tides, climate, and celestial experiences in ways we can only imagine. Exploring such scenarios expands our understanding of the cosmos and reminds us of the vast wonders that exist beyond our planet. We appreciate your feedback. Let us know your thoughts to help us improve. Thank you for being part of the Factopia Secrets community.